Hello, welcome to Database Management Systems, an online course offered to you by the Contemporary Sciences and Technologies Department at Southeast European University. Before we begin, just a short information about this course. As you know, the course name is Database Management Systems and it is offered for master studies students at the Contemporary Sciences and Technologies Department of Southeast European University. My name is Visar Shehu and I will be teaching you this course. My office is 30521 at the Contemporary Sciences and Technologies building, Southeast European University in Tetovo. Please send me an email for whatever questions that you have. My email address is v.shehu@seu.edu.mk. You can also drop by my office each Tuesday from 2 till 3 p.m. but also leave an appointment and meet me at any time. You can always reach me using Skype. My Skype name is Shehu, Vshehu, or in Twitter you can follow me with Visar Shehu. So, being an online course, this course will be given in a more non-traditional way. All the resources posted for this course will be available to you in Libri. I hope you are familiar with our learning management system, available at libri.seu.edu.mk. Please register this course and register for this course, and the password for this course is 123456. The primary textbook for this course is Database Management Systems, the third edition from Ramakrishnan and Gerke, which is more or less a standard textbooks for this type of courses. Of course, additional resources will be published to you on Libri. So, in order for this course to undergo successfully, you will need some software installed on your computers. Primary software that we will need is a database management system. There are plenty of them out there. I prefer that you use SQL Server 2008. You can download it from MSDN AA, the Academic Alliance, for free. You can download it from Microsoft.com. The Express edition is free, but you can also get the professional edition for a 90-day trial. Additional DBMS systems are MySQL. You can download it from mysql.com. It's free. A very powerful database management system is PostgreSQL. You have the following link there. You can download this for free as well. However, since I will use SQL Server 2008, you might want to use this DBMS for in order to be compliant with all the exercises that we will do on class. Additionally, we will use some design tools for designing ER diagrams. We will see what ER diagrams are later, and a great tool for doing this is the SQL Server Management Studio if you use SQL Server as your DBMS. And this tool installs with SQL Server 2008. So if you have SQL Server, you have probably installed SQL Server Management Studio. Additionally, you can download Microsoft Visio, a great tool for designing diagrams, or you can use the web-based tool Creately. I've just discovered this and it seems a suitable tool for this course. Okay. Additionally, normally you will need Adobe Flash installed to view videos for this course, and you probably have these tools. If you are able to watch YouTube videos, then you probably have Adobe Flash installed on your computer. Skype will be used for online presentations. You will use Skype to present your projects, your assignments, to communicate with me, and so on. Of course, you can download it for free from skype.com, and you probably have Skype. As I said earlier, my Skype username is Vshehu. Additionally, you will need Adobe Reader, since most of the handouts that I will publish in Libri will be in the PDF format. So you will need Adobe Reader to read handouts and materials. You can download Adobe for free from adobe.com. So what is this course about? You probably had many data-related courses, I would call them. For example, data structures, programming languages, in programming languages, what you do is manipulate with data. Data structures are just methods of organizing data in memory. In this course, you will learn about tools and methods in organizing and storing data on your computer. This course aims to teach you the following. First, information representation. We will spend a lot of time in methods and tools on how to organize and represent our information in order to store them on a DBMS system and for a better retrieval of these types of data in the future. We will learn about relational database management systems, a popular data storage system, and we will mention few DBMS systems. Mostly we will work with SQL Server, but the knowledge that you'll get in this course will be transferable for all other systems that you will use in the future. Of course, there are different types of data storage systems, but we will focus mostly on relational DBMS systems since they are the most popular systems nowadays. We will learn about database system design, how to design systems, how to optimize the systems, and so on. We'll learn a language called SQL, standard query language, which will be used for data storage and retrieval. Later we will mention database optimization methods and tools. It is very important to know how to optimize your data because today we are dealing with a lot of data that will need to be stored on a DBMS system, and we will need to find ways to quickly retrieve and store information on these systems. Therefore, database optimization is a necessity in such courses. Also, we will learn about database security. We will mention some of the techniques used for securing our data from illegal access, from malicious people and tools and so on. So we'll see how to secure our databases using access control lists, additional security methods, prevention from SQL injections and stuff like that. Okay, so what are the outcomes of this course? By the end of this course, you will be able to understand techniques of describing and managing large sets of data based on the relational model. Again, here we will learn only the relational model, and there are many other models out there that you can use, but we will not focus on them. You will use the experience gained here to design and implement database projects in practice. You will have a large practical project that you will need to design for this course, and that will help you transfer your knowledge into other practical projects that you will use either in your work or for other projects during your studies here. You will learn about typical database problems faced in practice. You will be able to compare existing systems and make the right decisions in order to propose which will be the best system for a specific problem that you will face. And additionally, you will be able to identify relevant points of view while developing large database projects and organize the usage of the basic principles respectively. Okay, so how will you be assessed in this course? You will have online quizzes that will help me understand how much you've read the material posted on Libri and the required reading material that you will be given for this course. You will have practical assignments throughout this course, many assignments that will give you practical problems. It is planned for you to have 6 practical assignments, each one giving you 5% on your final grade. A final project will be given to you that you will need to present by the end of this term, and this final project will give you 30% on your final grade. You will have a final examination, 20% in your final grade, and this will be given to you at the end of this term. All in all, you can get a total of 100% in this course. So how will you be graded for this course? We will use the official grading scale of our university. Grades range from 5 till 10, and we also have an incomplete and a no record grade. A no record grade is given for if I don't have any record for a particular student, no assignments, no projects, anything. I haven't seen that student. And an incomplete grade is given to students for which I don't have enough information to grade them. For example, they don't have a project or a final exam. They haven't attended a final exam at all. The grading scale is the official grading scale. You'll need at least 51% to pass this course, and this grading criteria is more or less used from every course taught in our university, so you will not have any we should not spend much time discussing it here. Okay, so tentative syllabus for this course. Next time we meet, we will speak about an introduction to database management systems, and we will see what are database management systems, why should we use DBMS systems, why they are different from storing data in simple files and similar. Then we will go on with the relational model. What is the relational model? Why this model is the most popular model today? We'll see how tables can be treated as relations, and also tables can be related to other tables, one-to-one, one-to-many relations, many-to-many relations, and so on. Later we will mention the ER model. It's basically a formal model of representing graphically the relational model. We'll see what are the common practices, how to translate from the relational model to the ER model and vice versa. Furthermore, we will learn about the relational algebra, which is a mathematical model of representing database management system and queries against that database management system. We will continue next with SQL, which is a very powerful language. It's not a programming language, but very similar to a programming language. And it is used for accessing and manipulating with data in a database management system. So we'll start with basic queries, selecting, inserting, deleting data on a database. We'll see about aggregate functions, grouping, searching by specific criteria, and so on. Additionally, we will continue with advanced SQL, where we will see nested queries, sets, unions, intersections between two sets of data, and so on. Furthermore, we will continue with SQL DDL, data definition language. DDL is used to create and to mostly to create and to manage database objects. So we will see how we can create databases, tables, relations. Additionally, we will learn how to create defined constraints and so on. In the end, we'll learn a little bit about database normalization, a must in data organization tools, where we will learn how large databases can be better organized, so information is not lost, information is organized better, and we don't have conflicts and data redundancy. Okay, so all in all, this is a tentative syllabus for this course. It might change in the future, so please visit Libri as often as you can. I will post relevant information in Libri, and for whatever change on this syllabus, you will be informed prior to this course. So thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please contact me using my email address, and I will be glad to answer as soon as I can.